Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. We are at McHargue's Meal Trail, and that's where we're headed. This is in London, Kentucky. So are you ready? Let's go hiking. And it's starting to rain right now. We have no raincoats. I'm probably crazy. It's raining. But I'm in London, Kentucky, and I don't have very much time, so rain or shine, I wanted to do a hike. If you didn't see the video on my new van that I just bought up here in Kentucky, I'm taking it home tomorrow, and I will start my van build process. I'm super excited about that. A little nervous. It's a little scary driving such a big vehicle, but it won't take long to get used to it. So now I'm on a paved road. It's very interesting. It's a gift shop, a little cabin. So it's a museum, Life Museum, Mountain Life Museum, and Kentucky shop. All right, I've come to a cemetery. The McHarques Company, a group of early settlers organized in Virginia for protection on the trip to Kentucky settlements, was camped here on Boone's Trace. Failing to post the guard, they were massacred by Indians on October 3rd, 1786. The victims are buried here at the site of their last camp. Here's the old mill. Alright, once you get to this old mill, it gets off the road, and Boone Trace hiking trail is across the street. I'm going to take that. Boone Trace, Daniel Boone's trail from North Carolina to Kentucky. (1775 to 1795). Something Trace. Boone Trace. I don't know what it is. Kentucky. camping area. Got it all decked out for Halloween. So I found this another extension, pool 1/4 a mile Wilderness Road, half a mile. I parked at the pool, so I'm just going to take it this way back. I don't know if you can see the deer. Oh, the deers. Hello. I see 2 of you. Maybe more. Oh, yep, there they go. 3. Hello. Oh, here comes another one. 4. Hello. I'll carry on and you can just do what you were doing. Is that all right? All right, I'm gonna walk on by. Goodbye. See you later. I see ya. Goodbye. I'm going. Alright, I'm back where I started. And I think I found my car from here. That's a nice pool. Nice slide. So I'm back from Boone Trail. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe and share it with people who want to go on a hike with me. See you on the next adventure. He's gonna get his momentum up to get up. Ugh. I know how you feel, buddy.